This 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD is brought to you by TX Work Trucks. 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD service work truck. Only 81k miles. Where to start with this truck? One owner, powerful 6.0 LS 4TEC V8, 4L90E transmission. Enclosed service body bed with 7K Cummins ONAN generator, hydraulic ladder racks, huge nap 5K UV service body with tons of storage bins, shelves, and pull-out drawers for parts and tools, rear-mounted spotlight, very clean interior, strobe lights, factory brake controller, trailer hitch 7-way and 4-way pin connector, great tires, ice-cold AC, hot heat, cruise control, in-cab inverter, strong running truck. Ready to make money? www.tswertrucks.com 5101 E University Drive, Denton, Texas 940-595-9328 Keywords: work truck, service truck, 2500, express, Chevy, Chevrolet, fleet, Econoline, Century Trucks, Dallas Fleet, work truck.